for joining me today. My name is Prestissima, and today we are going to learn how to play the piano. The piano is a keyboard instrument that we play with the fingers of both of our hands. There are lots of types of pianos and keyboards. For example, grand piano, upright piano, electric keyboard, synthesizer, beep boop boop beep, pipe organ, and a harpsichord. Which ones will you play? The piano keyboard is made up of both white keys and black keys. So when you go towards the right, the pitch gets higher. And then when you go towards the left, the pitch gets lower. In music, pitch is the sound we hear when we play or sing a note. Here's a pitch, here's a pitch, here's a pitch. That's opera. Here's a pitch, here's a pitch. What are some other words for higher and lower? We have lower, low, down, below, bottom, and descending. For higher, we have higher, high, up, above, top, and ascending. So here are some examples of how we use these words to talk about pitch. A higher pitch is above a lower pitch. So a higher pitch is above a lower pitch. Or pitch going up is ascending. So pitch going up is ascending. The lowest note on the piano is at the bottom of the keyboard, way down here. And the top note, the highest note of the keyboard, is way up here. So this key, right in the very, very middle of the keyboard, right here, that's called middle C. That's because it's right in the middle. Now, let's play a game. Okay, you are going to tell me if the pitch is higher or lower than middle C. So here's middle C. Is that higher or lower than middle C? Good, higher. Okay, how about this one? Here's middle C. Is that pitch higher or lower than middle C? Good, it's lower. Okay, let's make it a little harder. Here's middle C. Is this one higher or lower than middle C? Good, it is higher. Okay, how about this one? Let's make it even a little harder. Here's middle C. Is this higher or lower than middle C? Good, it is lower. Excellent. So today we learned a little bit about the piano keyboard and about pitch. We learned that going towards the right side of the keyboard, we're going up in pitch. And going toward the left side of the keyboard, we're going down in pitch. So, I think in our next video, we are ready to learn a song. Everyone, Prestissima out.